question says find the integral using substitution method. Okay, so we have to integrate this function, okay, using substitution method. So we have the integral of sine 4x plus 3 dx. Okay, so how do we do this? Solution, okay, for the integral of sine 4x plus 3 dx. Okay, so the first thing we do, let us represent this with u. So let us say u equals 4x plus 3. Okay, so in our knowledge of differentiation, so let us differentiate u with respect to x. So we say du dx, okay, we have it to be 4. So how do we do that? So when we look at this, we have x, okay, we have invisible 1. So when we differentiate this, 1 we multiply 4, okay, we subtract 1 from 1, so that is 0. So for n to the power 0 is 1, but 4 times 1 is 4, okay. So when we differentiate a constant, we have it as 0, okay. So du ds is 4. So let us try to make ds the subject of the formula here, okay. So when we do that, we have the x equals du over 4. Okay, so when we multiply this with this, okay, so we have it as this, okay. So making the x the subject of the formula here, okay. So let's come back here. So we have the integral of sine, okay. So since we have 4x plus 3 to be u, so let's replace it as sine u dx, okay. And integrating sine, okay, integrating sine, we have it as minus cos x, okay, with respect to x, okay. So we have it as minus cos x, okay. Now when we come back here, we have the integral, okay, of sine u. So the ds, when we look at ds represents du over 4. So let's have it here. Okay, so let us express this as, okay, so for the constant of integration for 4, okay, let's factor out. So we have this as 1 over 4, the integral of sine u du, okay. So here we have this as 1 over 4, okay. So when we integrate sine, okay, it gives us minus cos. Our u, we have it as 4x plus 3, okay. So let us introduce our constant of integration, which is c, okay. So this equals, so when we work out this, we have this as minus cos, okay, 4x plus 3, okay, plus c over 4. Thank you very much.